Sweden has just announced its largest military support package to date for Ukraine, valued at a staggering 13.5 billion Swedish kronor. This new package is designed to significantly boost Ukraine's defense capabilities, with a special focus on enhancing the production of long-range missiles and drones. As part of this commitment, Sweden is providing 1 billion Swedish kronor to assist Ukraine in producing high-precision missiles and unmanned aerial systems locally, strengthening Ukraine's ability to manufacture advanced weaponry. This latest announcement marks Sweden's 18th military support package to Ukraine since Russia's invasion began in February 2022. With this new commitment, Sweden's total support to Ukraine has now exceeded 61.9 billion Swedish kronor. A significant portion of the funding, 5.9 billion Swedish kronor, will be used to procure military equipment from Swedish and European defense industries, which will then be donated to Ukraine. This includes essential systems and materials to reinforce Ukraine's military strength. In addition, 2.8 billion Swedish kronor in financial aid will be directed towards Ukraine for the purchase of military equipment and ammunition. Among this aid, 1 billion Swedish kronor will specifically help Ukraine ramp up its domestic production of long-range missiles and drones. Sweden is also donating vital military equipment from its own armed forces, worth 3.3 billion Swedish kronor. This includes 146 trucks, 16 new combat boat 90s, 23 marine weapon stations, and 1 million rounds of 12.7 mm ammunition. Furthermore, Sweden is sending 1,500 TOW anti-tank missiles, 200 anti-tank weapons, and various infantry and unit-level gear, including personal protective equipment for chemical, biological, radiological, and nuclear (CBRN) risks. In support of Ukraine's ongoing defense research and training efforts, 180 million Swedish kronor will go towards helping establish a similar research agency in Ukraine and strengthen local defense expertise through a specialized educational program at the Swedish Defense University. Additionally, 650 million Swedish kronor will be allocated to provide training for Ukrainian soldiers, ensuring programs like Interflex, which trains new recruits, continue throughout 2025 to maintain Ukraine's military readiness. Finally, 400 million Swedish kronor will be used to maintain and provide logistical support for Swedish military equipment already delivered to Ukraine, ensuring these systems stay operational. Sweden's military aid to Ukraine is always aligned with the needs and priorities expressed by Ukraine. It underscores Sweden's commitment to helping Ukraine strengthen its defense capabilities, particularly in the field of long-range precision strikes, which are crucial to defending Ukraine's sovereignty against ongoing Russian aggression.